So here's some explanation for those of you who wants to actually 3D print this. You can use, for those ball bearings, I actually used the bearings that are inside these toys. They are not like very good quality, but it's good enough for this. And for the motor, actually I used the motor from, I think it was a DVD player or a VHS. So it's gonna be very hard to find the exact same dimension. But if you do an account on Onshape website, this website I use for creating these models, actually you can change the diameter here and change the basically you can also change the thickness for these for the motor to adapt to the motor that we use, and then simply like the batteries are standards, of course. In this case I just like made a simple connection like this. I want to actually do future version where I will put like some microcontroller and with Bluetooth and activating and the motor through the Bluetooth. So subscribe if you want to have the next version of this, if you want to see it. And basically here the shaft is the connection between these two parts, and this part it was belonging to the motor, so I just adapted there as well the model to this. So, and once it's connected, it can freely rotate